Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting, yet challenging spaces to remodel. Your bathroom. Whether you're dreaming of a luxurious spa vibe or optimizing a small powder room, bathroom remodeling can transform the way you live. But let's be real, it can also be a little overwhelming, right? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Bathrooms are more than just functional. They're where you start and end your day. A well-designed bathroom can boost your mood, make your mornings smoother, and even add value to your home. But the process of remodeling? That's a different story. From space planning to material selection, it's easy to feel stuck or make costly mistakes. Let's talk about the common challenges. First up, layout design. Should you go with a bathtub or a walk-in shower? How do you maximize storage in a small space without sacrificing style? And then there's the million-dollar question. How do you know if all the elements will actually look good together? This is where Foyr Neo shines. It's your ultimate bathroom design assistant. Neo takes the guesswork out of remodeling and lets you design with confidence and creativity. With Foyr Neo, you can easily create or modify your bathroom layout in just a few clicks. Whether you're working with a small, awkwardly shaped bathroom or designing a spacious master bath, Neo allows you to customize dimensions, rearrange fixtures, and experiment with layouts effortlessly. Need to visualize where the shower, bathtub, or vanity will go? Neo's extensive catalog has you covered. You can drag and drop fixtures like sinks, mirrors, toilets, and even lighting. Plus, the 3D view lets you see exactly how everything fits together, so you can make smarter decisions before you start the remodel. The material and texture library in Foyr Neo is a standout feature. It allows you to explore endless combinations of tiles, flooring, and countertops to see how they complement each other. Considering subway tiles with a marble vanity? Test the combination within seconds. If preferences change, simply swap materials and experiment until the perfect match is found. Lighting is a huge factor in bathroom design, and Foyr Neo makes it simple to plan. Add overhead lights, sconces, or even accent lighting to see how they affect the space. You can experiment with warm or cool tones, and even test how natural light interacts with your layout. Let's not forget storage, because, let's be honest, bathrooms never seem to have enough of it. With Neo, you can add custom cabinets, floating shelves, or built-in niches to maximize space without cluttering your design. And you can tweak dimensions to ensure everything fits perfectly. Here's the best part. Neo's real-time rendering feature. As you design, you get a lifelike view of your bathroom. This means you can spot potential issues early and adjust as needed, saving you time and money down the road. It's like walking through your dream bathroom before it's even built. And if you're working with a contractor or builder, you can share detailed 3D renders or download floor plans directly from Neo. This ensures clear communication and makes the process so much smoother. So if you're planning a bathroom remodel, why not give Foyr Neo a try? It's the perfect tool for bringing your vision to life, whether you're a pro designer or just starting out. And the best part? You can try it for free. Click the link in the description to start your 14-day free trial of Foyr Neo and see the magic for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you've got your own bathroom remodeling stories or tips, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. Until next time, happy designing!